A very good day to everyone watching. I am Anish Arun and I was a part of Team West Bengal at the Indian Debating. Now, having been debating now only for about a year and a half to 2 years now, competing mostly at the local level, taking up the classical format of debating, I must say that the Indian Debating League has easily been one of the most enriching experiences for me. And I have perhaps learned more about myself as a debater and a speaker from this 1 month of competition than I have over most of my other debates combined. Now, while there are many reasons behind that, including, of course, a new format that I wasn't very well acquainted with before this competition, the fact that we got to go up against some incredible teams while discussing some extremely multifaceted motions, the Indian Debating League truly stood out for me because we were judged by some of the finest debaters, coaches, and adjudicators from not only India but around the world. And the fact that we were able to discuss our speeches, discuss our flaws, areas where we could have done better, and areas that weren't very well constructed in our speeches really made this experience all the more valuable and helped us grow as speakers. Now, well, all that I can say right now is thank you so much to the entire Indian Debating League organizing team for giving us this platform to not only grow as speakers but to showcase our talents at a very high level. And well, I couldn't have hoped for a better debating experience than this. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Hello, my name is Janat Kazi and I participated in Team Maharashtra of the Indian Debating League. This experience taught me how to be a better speaker and improve my social skills tremendously. We were all divided in 3 teams, and in my team we decided to give each person a chance to be captain for each of the 3 rounds. And when I became the leader, it taught me lots of leadership skills, which was amazing. I also had a tremendous amount of fun. I mean, not just all learning things and stuff, but I enjoyed it and I bonded with my teammates a lot. I am still very good friends with them and we do a weekly meetup together. I just have to say that the Indian Debating League was an amazing part of my life. I will also use stuff I learned from the Indian Debating League to my future debates, and I hope that I will succeed. Even though I didn't win, I'm so very proud of myself that I got to the finals. I mean, it came to my attention that there were 30,000 people who wanted to be at the finals. But in the end, there were only 6 left, and I was one of them. And that makes me really proud. So I just have to say that idea is amazing.
Hello, I am Sachi. I am 10 years old. I was a part of the Maharashtra team in IDL. I had an outstanding experience with IDL in the current year. The team was awesome and the process was flawless. As a curious debater, I had many questions and they were immediately solved. I liked the way in which the matches were started in singles and then advanced to 3 people in a team. Due to this, I got the hang of many skills, some including teamwork, cooperation, coordination, speaking skills, and a lot more. IDL gave me a great opportunity to discover my passions and become a master in debating. The debates were commendable. Children around the world were competing in high-class quality. This was one of the best experiences I had ever had. Thank you so much, IDL.
I'm Tiku from New Delhi, and Oakley's masterclasses really helped me prepare for the IDL. The main 3 things that they taught me, number 1, were how to structure my speeches way better. I was able to bring more clarity to my arguments while debating. And secondly, they also taught me how to overcome problems that I might face as a debater and how to cope with different debating styles. Lastly, their educators and lecturers were so thorough and articulate with all the concepts that it helped me ingrain them and instill them whilst I was speaking. Thank you so much, Ogli, for the master classes, and honestly, I'd recommend them to anyone and everyone who's getting into debating. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Ivy here, and currently I'm studying in grade 9. So I've been attending Ogli debates and Ogli workshops from the past 6 months, but I've been attending these Ogli master classes from the past 3 months, I was specifically made for the Indian Debating League, and Augie did not limit it to specifically Indian Debating League participants and debaters. So, first of all, just imagine world-renowned debaters were there to give us their tips and tricks. I mean, what could be better than that? They gave us a hang of things we didn't even know. They gave us a hang of the things we weren't even aware of. Now, if you see, mostly masterclasses and workshops are monotonous and they're so boring. But surprisingly, these masterclasses were interesting, they were exciting and interactive. So the first thing that I learned were rebuttals. So frankly speaking, rebuttals, I'm not a master at rebutting the opponent. So these masterclasses have really given me a hang at rebutting, and the trainer just gave us some tips and tricks on how to rebut the opponent. And they have actually been very, very helpful in the Indian Debating League that I participated in a few days ago. The second thing I learned were the matter, manner and method, the 3 M's. I mean, I was already aware of the 3 M's, but in these classes, we actually delved deeper into what the 3 M's were. We dug deeper into the different aspects of the 3 M's. So overall, my experience with Augie has been enriching, and these masterclasses have been extremely helpful for me in the Indian Debating League, and they will be helpful for me in the debates I do in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ilakshi's mother. I am very happy that she won the debate 2021. I know, being a parent, that communication skill is very important for my child. But Ideal has given a platform where she is know how to be expressive, her contact eyes, her confidence level, her voice modulation, and her confidence level is increased enormously. Debate is a platform where we promoting active learning and give students a more meaningful way to experience their learning than merely reading in textbooks. Thank you.
My daughter Sachi participated in the debate competition at level grade 4 to 6 this time. It was her first debating experience. My sincere thanks to Ideal for offering her this opportunity. I see her as a very, very curious child towards any concept which is given to her. For the first time, she explored that there can be two viewpoints of any particular topic. Some topics which are obvious, so much of obvious for and against, but she at least she started recognizing that there can be other viewpoints also. So this is one of the achievements I see in her as a participant in debate. Along with that, her skill as a debater has developed a lot, and she has develop an interest in the topic. I congratulate Ideal for this achievement and expect Ideal to handhold her further so that she can further sharpen her skills. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Ilakshi from class 5th Holy Child Public School, Rewari, Team Haryana. Debating improved my academic skills and have increased my engagement with my classroom subjects, because when Ideal matches were going on, there were also my half-yearly exams. So I have learned from this that how to manage my time and prepare for both Ideal and my classroom subjects. It also helped to me to develop my critical thinking. And I was like, if we will win the toss, we can choose Ideal's position, and I was well prepared for that with all the facts and figures. I have got encouragement from my parents as well as from my teachers who helped me for the debate. And yes, thanks to my whole school, Holy Child Public School, my teachers, my parents, and as well as Ideal team, sir, ma'am, for mentoring us, all the participants. Thank you everyone.
Indian Debating League is the best platform out there for all those aspiring debaters who hope to go professional one day, or for just someone who is just genuinely interested in debating. The debates that were held on this platform were as real as they could get, and they gave us an idea about how we were going to compete at a higher level.
the master classes provided to us including master teachers like Harish Natarajan and Calix Becker and many more. As for my personal experience, the IDL helped in refining my debating skills and leveling up my debating game, and I hope they do the same for you.
Hi, my name is Mayan and I recently participated as Team Delhi in the Indian Debating League, and I personally feel that the Indian Debating League is without a doubt one of the best debating platforms, one of the best debating competitions that I have ever been to. And one of the things that I liked the most about the Indian Debating League was the format of the debates, because I felt that the 3-minute speeches plus the 3-minute reply speeches in the preliminary rounds, followed by the gradual introduction of the WSDC format in the knockout stages, really increased the competitiveness of the debate, and at the same time increased the learning as a participant for me. And I feel that the Indian Debating League has really helped me to harness my skills as a debater, to learn more about debating and to be better at debating, because it exposed me to new challenges and most importantly new opponents from all over the country. So I would like to thank the whole Indian Debating League team for making it such a great competition and such a great learning experience for me. Thank you.